G'day everyone, my name is Vulcan-Cam-Man, and this is my first YouTube video, so I just thought I'd introduce myself and show you my new bike and share with you a little compilation of some drivers, you know, crazy shit happening and that I've caught with my GoPro while I've been riding. So my helmet's fogging up. Sorry, 1 second. Can't see anything. No, it's my glasses that are fogging up. Hold on. Alright. Sorry about that. So this is my new motorbike. It's a 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650. And I've had it for about a couple of weeks, yeah, around that, couple of weeks, just about a month. And I bought it outright. I didn't get a loan out or anything like that. Screw that shit. I traded in my old bike and got a good deal on this one, so I was pretty happy with that. So far I'm really impressed with it. It's everything you want in a motorcycle. You know, it's got a parallel twin 650cc engine, which has quite a lot of grunt for a 650. It's got a 6-speed transmission, which is really handy, especially when you're cruising on the highway. You don't have to rev the guts out of it to stick on the highway speed. It's chain driven, so it's not belt driven or anything like that. It's chain, and yeah, it's very easy to ride, very comfortable, very stable. It feels like you're riding it. It feels like you're on a gyroscope when you're riding it. It's really stable, and it's powerful. It's everything you want in a motorcycle, basically. It's got a 14-litre capacity fuel tank. I'm not too sure how much that is in gallons. I think it's about oh god, I'll just subtitle it. I'll put it up on the screen. 14 litres equals so many gallons. So I'll throw it up for you. So it's got a I don't know if you can see that, it's got a analog tacho, and actually, you know what, I'll grab that camera. Screw using the GoPro. I'll grab this camera. Just let me take my gloves off so I can handle it. Right, come here. Alright, so like I said, it's got a analog tachometer and a digital fuel gauge, digital speedo, and a gear shift indicator. Right now it's in neutral, so if I pull the clutch in and kick it into first, that will change to 1, and as you upshift it will go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And this is handy, you know, trying to remember, you know, what gear you're in. So yeah. Anyway, this thing here is a solar panel. This thing here is a solar panel to charge up my GoPro. So I've got a GoPro just there, and it's got a cable that runs down behind my helmet and just plugs into there, and that keeps the GoPro's battery charged while I'm riding, because typically something cool happens just as soon as the GoPro's battery dies. So to stop that from happening, to capture my entire ride, I just have it plugged into there. So it's got ABS brakes, which is really handy. So you can slam your brakes on and not have to worry about the brakes locking up or anything like that. So the brakes are really powerful, actually. I mean, you only have to barely touch them and they slow you right down, so it's pretty good. This little thing here is just a little holder for a electric gate remote down at the bottom of my driveway. That's all that is, so nothing really special there. Sorry if I'm heavy breathing, it's just my helmet's a bit tight. So yeah, this bike's just been absolutely magical, and it's just, I don't know, it's just, you need to, it's one of those bikes that you just need to ride it to see for yourself. I mean, everyone could give you opinions on things and whatnot, but at the end of the day, you need to test ride it and try it for yourself. So that's what that is. Anyway, let's fire this puppy up. So at the moment I just have the stock exhaust on, which is not too bad, but the muffler itself is friggin' huge. I'll show you a photo of it in a second. That's the muffler. It weighs like 6.5 kilograms. It's fairly big, something you'd find on a small car, not a motorbike. Anyway, I'll rev it up for you. You can have an idea of what it sounds like. So yeah, it's not the loudest bike in the world, but when I get some new pipes, I'll definitely change that. Alright, turn it off. So yeah, there you have it. I'm very pleased with it. I've still got a few modifications I want to make to it. I want to get a custom exhaust pipe to make it louder and sound cooler, because it does sound cool with a custom exhaust pipe on it. I want to get some saddlebags and a pillion seat so I can take my mates with me, or I don't know, if I'm lucky enough to pick up a hot chick, I can take her. Yeah, so that's the Kawasaki Vulcan 650 parallel twin, and yeah, I'll just show you a very quick little compilation of a few clips that I've gathered from my GoPro. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Oh shit. Whoops. Oopsies. Whoa, fuck! Whoa! I think I just hit a bird. Holy shit! Whoa! That scared the fuck out of me! Woo! Yikes! Well, that bird's gonna have a massive headache now. Holy shit! Whoa! Oh well, I got an interesting story to tell them today. How was your ride? How was your ride today, Brent? Oh, just fine. I got hit by a bird.